Hello students, today we will solve the exercise 5.1 of NCERT maths book. So here in question number 1, in which of the following situations does the list of numbers involved make an arithmetic progression and why? Here you have to check whether it is arithmetic progression or not. In first part, the question is the taxi fare after each kilometer when the fare is rupees 15 for the first kilometer and rupees 8 for each additional kilometer. Means for the first kilometer the fare is rupees 15 and for the second it will be 15 plus 8, that is equal to 23 rupees, and fare for the third kilometer it will be 23 plus 8, that is rupees 31. For the fourth kilometer it is 31 plus 8, that is equal to 39 rupees. So here see that each term is obtained by adding 8 in the preceding term. Here each new term is obtained by adding 8 rupees in preceding term. So the series of 15, 23, 31, 39 form an AP, because here the common difference is 8. In second question, the amount of air present in a cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. Here let the initial amount of air in cylinder be V, capital V. Now since vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time, means in first stroke it will remove 1/4 of the air present in the cylinder. Hence the amount of air remaining at every stroke of the pump is 1 minus 1 by 4, that is equal to 3 by 4th part of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. Hence the air remaining in the cylinder after each stroke of the pump are, it is the initially V. In first stroke it will be 3 by 4 of V, means 3/4 of V. Then again it will be remaining 3/4 of this. 3/4 of this means 3 by 4 whole square of V. Then in next stroke it will be 3/4 of this. So it will be 3/4 whole cube into V. So here see that each term is obtained by multiplying 3/4 in the preceding term. So here each term is obtained by multiplying 3/4 in preceding term. Hence here common difference is not same, so it does not form an AP. In third part, the cost of digging a well after every meter of digging, when it costs rupees 150 for the first meter and rises by 50 for each subsequent meters. Here this question is similar to the first part. So here the cost of digging a well for first meter is rupees 150 and for second meter it will be 150 plus 50, that is equal to rupees 200, and for third meter it is 200 plus 50, that is equal to rupees 250, and for the fourth meter it is 250 plus 50, that is equal to rupees 300. Since here each term is obtained by adding 50 rupees in the preceding term, so the series of 150, 200, 250, 300 forms an AP. In fourth part, the amount of money in the account every year when rupees 10,000 is deposited at compound interest at 8% per annum. As we know that when rupees P is deposited at compound interest of R percent per annum, means rate is R% for n years, then the amount after n years will be equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole raised to power n. So here the deposited amount is 10,000 rupees. So the amount after every year will be as 10,000 into 1 plus 8 upon 100. Then next year 10,000 into 1 plus 8 upon 100 whole square. Then 10,000 into 1 plus 8 upon 100 whole cube, and so on. So here see that each term is obtained by multiplying 1 plus 8 by 100 in preceding term. So here the common difference is not same. So it does not form an AP. In question number 2, write first 4 terms of the AP when the first term A and common difference D are given. As you know that in AP the terms are given like A and A plus D, then again A plus 2D, then A plus 3D and so on. Here common difference is added every time in the preceding term. So here A is 10 and D is 10. So the first term is 10, then next will be 10 plus 10, then again 10 plus 2 into 10, then 10 plus 3 into 10. So on adding it will be 10, 20, 30, 40 and so on. Here you have to write only 4 terms. So it is the answer. In second part, A is minus 2 and D is 0. So here the common difference is 0. So the all terms will be same. So here minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2 and so on. Because the common difference is 0. In third part, A equal to 4 and D equal to minus 3. So it will be here 4 the first term, then second 4 minus 3. Then next 4 plus 2 into minus 3, then 4 plus 3 into minus 3, that will be equal to 4, 1, minus 2, minus 5 and so on. Similarly, in fourth part, A equal to minus 1 and D equal to 1 half. So here AP will be minus 1, then minus 1 plus half, then minus 1 plus 2 into half, then minus 1 plus 3 into half. On adding, it will be equal to minus 1, minus half, then 0, then half and so on. In fifth part, the first term is A equal to minus 1.25 and common difference D is minus 0.25. So here the AP will be minus 1.25, then minus 1.25 plus minus 0.25, then minus 1.25 plus 2 into 0.25. So it will be here minus 1.25, then minus 1.50, then minus 1.75, then minus 2.00. In question number 3, for the following APs, write the first term and common difference. In first part, the AP is 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3. So here first term is A equal to 3 and common difference D is equal to, means A2 minus A1. So here 1 minus 3, that is equal to minus 2. In second part, the first term is A equal to minus 5 and second and common difference is equal to minus 1 minus 5, that is equal to minus 1 plus 5, that is equal to 4. In third part, the first term is 1 upon 3 and common difference D is 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3, that is equal to 4 by 3. In fourth part, the first term is A equal to 0.6 and common difference D is equal to 1.7 minus 0.6, that is equal to 1.1. Now in fourth question, you have to find which of the following are APs. Means you have to check the AP. If they form an AP, then find the common difference D and write 3 more terms. Here in first part AP is given 2, 4, 8, 16 and so on. So here you have to check down the common difference. Common difference D is first A2 minus A1 means 4 minus 2, that is equal to 2. Then A3 minus A2, that is equal to 8 minus 4, that is equal to 4. And A4 minus A3, 16 minus 8, that is equal to 8. So see here the difference of two consecutive terms are not same. Hence it is not an AP. So here you have not to find the common difference D and other 3 terms. In second part, the series is 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2 and so on. So here difference D is A2 minus A1 means 5 by 2 minus 2, that is equal to 5 minus 4, 2 to the 4 divided by 2, that is equal to 1 upon 2. A3 minus A2 is equal to 3 minus 5 by 2. So here 3 to the 6 minus 5 by 2, that is equal to 1 by 2. And A4 minus A3 is equal to 7 by 2 minus 3, that is equal to 7 minus 6 upon 2, that is equal to 1 upon 2. So here see that the common difference D is 1 half is the same, hence it is an AP. Since it is an AP, so you have to find the next 3 terms. Means here 4 terms are given, so you have to find the 5th, 6th and 7th term. So here A5 is equal to A4 plus D. Means A4 is 7 by 2 plus D is half. It will be equal to 8 by 2, that is equal to 4. And A6 is equal to 4 plus D, 4 plus half. Then it is 9 by 2. Similarly, A7 is 9 by 2 plus half, that is equal to 5. In third part, series is given minus 1.2, minus 3.2, minus 5.2, minus 7.2. So see here difference, A2 minus A1 is equal to minus 3 by 2 minus 1.2, that is equal to minus 3.2 plus 1.2, that is equal to minus 2. Similarly, A3 minus A2 is minus 5.2 minus of minus 3.2, that is minus 5.2 plus 3.2, that is equal to minus 2. Similarly, A4 minus A3 is also minus 2. Since here D is minus 2 is same, so it is an AP. So here also you have to find A5, A6 and A7. That is equal to minus 7.2 minus 2. It is minus 9.2. Similarly, minus 11.2 and minus 13.2. In fourth part, here series is minus 10, minus 6, minus 2, 2 and so on. So here difference D is equal to A2 minus A1, that is equal to minus 6 minus of minus 10, that is minus 6 plus 10 equal to 4. Similarly, A3 minus A2 is also 4. A4 minus A3 is also 4. So here D equal to 4 is same. Hence it is an AP, and here you have to find A5, A6 and A7, that is equal to 2 plus 4. A5 is 2 plus 4 equal to 6. A6 is 6 plus 4, that is equal to 10. A7 is 10 plus 4, that is equal to 14. In fifth part, series is given 3 and 3 plus root 2, then 3 plus 2 root 2, then 3 plus 3 root 2 and so on. So here difference is D. D equal to A2 minus A1. So here 3 plus root 2 minus 3, that is equal to root 2. Then A3 minus A2 is equal to 3 plus root 2 minus 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 plus root 2, that is equal to also 3 minus 3 cancel, 2 root 2 minus root 2 is equal to root 2. Similarly, A4 minus A3 is equal to 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 plus 2 root 2, that is equal to also root 2. Hence here D is equal to root 2, which is the same in all the differences. So it is an AP. So here you have to find A5, A6 and A7, which is equal to 3 plus 4 root 2, 3 plus 5 root 2 and 3 plus 6 root 2. In sixth question, it is series is given 0.2, 0.22, 0.222, 0.4 times 2 and so on. Here D equal to A2 minus A1, that is equal to 0.22 minus 0.2. It will be equal to 0.02. Then A3 minus A2 is equal to 0.222 minus 0.22, that is equal to 0.002. Then A4 minus A3 0.2222 minus 0.222, which is equal to 0.0002. So here the common difference is not same, so it is not an AP. Hence here you have not to find the next 4 terms. Then the seventh part, series is 0, minus 4, minus 8, minus 12. Here difference D is equal to A2 minus A1, that is equal to minus 4 minus 0 equal to minus 4. A3 minus A2 is equal to minus 8 minus 4, that is equal to minus 8 plus 4 equal to minus 4. Then A4 minus A3 is equal to minus 12 minus of minus 8, that is equal to minus 12 plus 8 means minus 4. So here the difference D is minus 4, which is the same. So it is a common difference. Hence it is an AP. So here you have to find next 3 terms. A5 equal to minus 12 plus minus 4, that is equal to minus 16. A6 minus 16 plus minus 4, that is equal to minus 20. Then A7 equal to minus 20 plus minus 4, that is equal to minus 24. In 8th part, series is minus half, minus half, minus half, minus half. So here difference D equal to A2 minus A1, that is equal to minus half minus minus half, that is equal to 0. Similarly, A3 minus A2 is 0, A4 minus A3 is 0. So here difference D is equal to 0, which is the same. So it is an AP. Hence you have to find next 3 terms, which will be A5, A6 and A7, which is also minus half and minus half, because the common difference is 0. In 9th part, series is 1, 3, 9 and 27. and so on. Here difference D is equal to A2 minus A1 equal to 3 minus 1, that is equal to 2. A3 minus A2 means 9 minus 3, which is equal to 6. Then A4 minus A3, which is equal to 27 minus 9, that is equal to 18. Since here common difference D is not the same, so it is not an AP. In 10th part, series is A, 2A, 3A, 4A. See here common difference D is A2 minus A1, that is equal to 2A minus A, that is equal to A. Similarly, A3 minus A2 is also 3A minus 2A, that is equal to A. Then A4 minus A3 is also A. So here common difference D is A, which is the same, hence it is an AP. So here you have to find A5, A6 and A7. That is equal to 4A plus A, that is 5A, then 6A and 7A. In 11th part, series is given as A square, A cube, A power 4 and so on. So here let the difference D is equal to A2 minus A1, that is equal to A square minus A. Taking A as a common, you will get A into bracket A minus 1. Then A3 minus A2 is equal to A cube minus A square, which is equal to A square into A minus 1. Similarly, A4 minus A3 is equal to A cube into A minus 1. See here, the difference is not same, so it is not an AP. In 12th part, the series is given root 2, root 8, root 18, root 32. So see here difference A2 minus A1 is equal to root 8 minus root 2. That is here 8 is equal to 4 into 2. So square root of 4 will be 2. So it will be equal to 2 root 2. Then minus root 2. So 2 root 2 minus root 2, that is equal to 1 root 2, means root 2. Similarly, A3 minus A2 is equal to root 18 minus root 8, that is equal to 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2. Because here 9 into 2, so square root of 9 is 3. So it is also equal to root 2. Similarly, A4 minus A3 is equal to root 32 minus root 18, which is equal to here 16 into 2 equal to 32. So 16 ka square root 4. So 4 root 2 minus 3 root 2, that is also equal to root 2. So hence here common difference D is equal to root 2, which is same, hence it is an AP. Hence the next three terms you have to find. So A5 equal to root 32 plus root 2, which is equal to 4 root 2 plus root 2, which is equal to 5 root 2. And taking 5 into root, it will be 5 square 25 into 2, which is equal to root 50. A6 equal to 5 root 2 plus root 2, 6 root 2. Then 6 6 is 36 into 2, that is equal to root 72. Similarly, A7 is 7 root 2, which is equal to 7 7 is 49 into 2, which is root 98. In the 13th part, the series is given root 3, root 6, root 9, root 12. See here, difference is A2 minus A1 is root 6 minus root 3, and root 6 will be equal to root 3 into 2. So taking root 3 as common, you will get root 3 into root 2 minus 1. Similarly, A3 minus A2 is equal to root 9 minus root 6, which is equal to root 3 into 3 minus root 3 into 2. Taking root 3 common, you will get into bracket root 3 minus root 2. So see here, the common difference is not same. Here the bracket is different. So the common difference is not same, hence it is not an AP. So here you have not to find other three terms. In the 14th part, the series is 1 square, 3 square, 5 square, 7 square and so on. So here difference D is equal to A2 minus A1, that is equal to 3 square minus 1 square, which is equal to 3 square means 9 minus 1, that is equal to 8. Then A3 minus A2 equal to 5 square minus 3 square, which is equal to 25 minus 9, that is equal to 16. So here also the common difference is not same, so it is not an AP. So here you have not to find other three terms. In 15th part, series is 1 square, 5 square, 7 square and 73 and so on. So here difference D is A2 minus A1, that is equal to 5 square minus 1 square, which is equal to 25 minus 1, which is equal to 24. Then A3 minus A2 is 7 square minus 5 square, which is equal to 49 minus 25, which is equal to 24. Then A4 minus A3 is equal to 73 minus 7 square, which is equal to 73 minus 49, and that is equal to 24. So here also see that D equal to 24 is same, so it is an AP. So here you have to find other three terms. terms. Then A5 is equal to, last term is 73, then 73 plus common difference 24, which is equal to 97. Then A6 is equal to A5 plus D, which is equal to 121. A7 is equal to 145. So here we have completed the exercise 5.1, and in next video we will see the solution of exercise 5.2.